All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. I forgot to go live Monday because it was Memorial Day, so I lost track of the days. I thought it was Sunday for some reason, so that's why I didn't go live. So that's why I'm going live today, and then I'm debating whether I'll go live tomorrow or Thursday just to break it up, or I may just go live tomorrow, and then that'll be it for the week. But my bad. But yeah, so in today's live stream, we'll play a game of chess, but we're going to be talking about crypto. Crypto is looking pretty good. I mean, it's holding that 110. Right now, it's a 109, 109,000 and 87 $9. There, the Bitcoin conference is started today. I believe it was started today or yesterday. We'll get into some of the key highlights there. But yeah, so let's go over the market. So the crypto market update. So it says crypto market current cryptocurrency looks bullish. Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs. Ethereum showing significant gains. Yeah, Ethereum's looking like it's about to break 3,000 right now. It's at like 26, 2,700, 2686. So yeah, really close, $14 away from 2,700. So I think we're gonna hit 3,000 here pretty soon. I think 3,000 is around the corner, and I don't think nothing's gonna be slowing it down. We have high bond yields, so that means people that are holding bonds, foreign countries, they want a higher return, right? They're getting a higher return because remember the credit rating for the US went down. So that just means they said, okay, in order to hold these bonds, you need to pay us more interest. So that's why these US Treasury bond yields are going up, and it's not good for the dollar, right? So things like crypto, Bitcoin are going up in price, along with just the 4-year cycle of the halvening and things like that. So, yep. Okay, and then it says Trump's media's 2.5 billion Bitcoin investment. Trump's Media and Technology Group has announced plans to raise 2.5 billion to invest in Bitcoin. So again, we're just getting a lot of people investing in crypto, all these Bitcoin reserves, and it's showing in the price, right? The price is showing a lot of strength. Circle's IPO plan. So Circle Internet, the issuer of the USDC stablecoin, is preparing for an initial public offering on the New York Stock Exchange. So it says the valuation for Circle is going to be 6.71, or it's forecasting to be 6.71 billion. The IPO aims to raise as much as 624 million through the sale of 24 million shares. And there was some talk about XRP trying to buy Circle. Somebody else was trying to buy Circle too. I forget who it was, but yeah. So again, more positive news. Okay, so the Bitcoin conference. It's actually, so the Bitcoin conference is from May 27th to the 29th. So yeah, it started. Yes, it started. Was it yesterday? It looks like it. No. So the 27th is today. So it looks like it started today. Um, so 27th through the 29th, bringing industry leaders, policymakers, and enthusiasts to the conference. Notable speakers. It says so. It says J.D. Vance is going to be speaking. Michael Saylor, Nigel Farage spoke at geopolitical implications of decentralized finance. Okay. Key announcement: Winter Mining launched a new cloud mining platform aimed at making Bitcoin mining more accessible and efficient. Institutional inflows. The conference has sparked significant institutional interest, with analysts predicting that Bitcoin could reach 200,000 by the end of the year. Yeah, usually at this conference, they hype BTC more up than what it already is, and you have a lot of people that are bullish in the space, a lot of whales, and typically the price of BTC around this time goes up, right? If you ask any specific, yeah, and that's pretty much it. I mean, we're seeing all this positive news play out in the price, and again, I think June is going to be a very good month. July, just as these summer months, I think are to be good. Usually, it's like sell in May and go away, but I think this cycle is playing out a little bit different. A lot of people are speculating that it's going to last until 2026, and we'll see, right? But I think this summer is going to be very good. All right, so let me play a game of chess. I actually was at 1155. Right now I'm looking it's 1187. The reason why my score went up is because there were some people cheating that I reported. And yeah, my score went up 25 points. So I would recommend if you are, using chess.com, if you suspect somebody to be cheating, which they do a lot, it's hard to combat it. Report them, right? Report them so that way you get your points back. Usually it's not right away, but a week or two after the reporting, if they are cheating, you'll get some points back. So right now I'm at 1187. Let me play. I'll probably do one. Let me see. We'll go for one and see how it goes, and then we'll go from there. All right, cool. Let me make sure my mic is working. Give me a sec. Make sure my mic is working. All right, cool. It looks like my mic is working. All right, let's do simple E4. All right, here. I think I'm gonna take that. All right. They get a tempo on his. I'm thinking of bringing this out, but then it's gonna drop back. Let's try it. Let's see it. All right. Do that. I'll probably come down with this. Yeah, I just kind of want to put pressure on it. And then I think I could put some pressure on his queen again. All right. And I feel like he's going to come down. You know what? I think what I'll just do that. All right, let's do this. All right, I'm gonna gain a tempo on his thing. So I'll take that. Gain a tempo. Oh, okay. Well, no, not really. I think I can grab that. That's fine. I'm trying to see if he has anything. All right, cool. Hmm. Let's move this. I'll probably go back. All right, that was decent. I think I want to stay on the same diagonal. If I go there, actually, I think I do want to stay on this side. Yeah, I should get my rook. I could go both. I could do both. Um, Boom. So now he loses that. He has to protect. Well, not really because that's actually protecting, so it's not checkmate. All right. So he's trying to do that. Hmm. 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 Mm, move that over. Yeah, I'm gonna have to open this up. All right. Let me think about this. Actually, I could go attack right there, and he has to move. Yep. All right. So I got that piece. Um. Wait. If I take here, if I take here, he doesn't want to go there. Okay. I'm gonna have to take here. All right. I think I should be able to win with these two pieces. Should be good. All right. I think I should be able to win with these two pieces. Let me get my. Um, Let me get my king out of here. And then I'll run this up. Perfect. I think this should be fine. I think this should be fine. Should be fine here. There we go. I'll sacrifice. And then if he doesn't take, right there. There we go. Checkmate. Chess is awesome. Yes, it is. Just trying to figure out, you got to figure out like the opening theories. You got to like figure out all these tactics because the thing is, if you don't and you go against somebody that does know the tactics, you're going to get screwed, right? So that plus puzzles and just a lot of practice, right? Also, over the board chess helps out too. Like if you're able to get some practice with over the board, people in your community or your neighborhood, that'd be good too to help out. All right, that was a long game. I think that's pretty much it. But yeah, so crypto's looking really good. I think this summer we're gonna get we're gonna get a huge surge in AI coins. So again, not financial advice, but definitely do your own due diligence. The AI sector has been hot. It's heating up again. There is a demand for GPU power, and there's a shortage, and only certain companies could get certain chips. So I would definitely take a look at that if you're not already in it. Stocks too that deal with it. I think Intel's going to make a comeback. Dell is very crucial to these like foundries, these GPU warehouses and things like that. So a lot of these stocks, a lot of these cryptos, I think they're going to see multiples of gains in the next for crypto in the next coming months, but then also in the coming years as well. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.